Hi everybody, I'm Jacob Wise with Big Cheese, and today we're going to do a quick introduction to Google Bard, how to get started, and some basic use cases for it. So let's dive in. If you don't already have a Google account, go create a Google account and then head on over to bard.google.com, and that's bard.google.com. You'll be presented with a screen just like ChatGPT if you're familiar with that, but if you're not, that's okay. Basically, there's an area to type in a prompt just being the instructions you want to give the large language model, and then once you enter that, it'll give you a result. A couple of use cases that I have are if I'm just getting started on a topic or thing I want to learn about, it's a great place to sort of create that foundational outline of how to learn more about that topic. I play a lot of chess, but when I got started, it was a lot of stumbling around the internet, looking for different influencers and people on YouTube and just learning the basics of chess and then losing a lot of games. So let's see what I could have done if I was starting today. Paste in this prompt. It says I have played chess a couple of times and now I'm interested in learning more about it and how to get started. Help me create a learning path for chess. The way I always think about this is probably a pretty darn good starting point. It might need some adjustments or just, fine tuning to whatever your needs are. Maybe you've played 10 times and you can skip the most basic lesson. Or maybe there's some things that you want to dive deeper into that interest you. For me, it's like, oh, okay, now I can sort of get unstuck and skip ahead to the good part, which is start learning. So that's one example that I really like to use. Something that's interesting about an LLM, if you've not used one before, or these chatbots here, is it'll now have context to your conversation above. So if I wanted to adjust this prompt or just ask something like, can you give me some YouTube videos that are relevant? All right, look, Gotham Chess. I watch a lot of his videos. He's funny. Okay, cool. So now you can start to see how this kind of all plays together, where you have like a starting point. You can start communicating and talking with this chat or this LLM and start your journey there. So let's do one more example. Let's say I'm gonna go to a dinner party and I'm supposed to bring a dessert, and I'm sitting here like, what the heck am I gonna bring? And for some reason this dinner party has a beef Wellington, which I think I misspelled, but it should be fine. Let's go ask, what's a good dessert that pairs well with a beef Wellington? Hell. Oh, cool, I like sticky toffee pudding. This again is like reducing cognitive load, right? Like maybe I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I'm not a baker and I don't really have a lot of like good recipe ideas in my head. I could just go Google that and read a handful of articles and that would probably be fine. But this is more, in my opinion, just consolidating that information into one easily consumable page. That's how I use it a lot. I'm curious to find how other people are finding value in it. How do you use it? Do you use it more in your personal life? Are you using it at work yet? So yeah, let us know. And thanks for watching.